Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about what does AutoDS do. So I will give you a basic on how it would work in dropshipping so you know how it works basically. So first you must know how dropshipping works. First you need your store and your supplier and the customer, and it all goes in a cycle. So you have your store, the customer buys a product, it gets sold by getting from the supplier and then given to your customer directly, and it repeats. So there you go. So why is dropshipping business model so popular? Because it's really low risk and easy to start, but therefore it's actually really competitive when it comes to doing this. So let's just skip this part. So here you have eBay for dropshipping. You can do so. So they have a lot of visitors, which will give you a monthly traffic, which is way better. So next is using Shopify for your own website. Of course, you can start up with a free trial. Next, you can also go use Wix. It's also the same as Shopify. You can build your own website. That's where you will drop ship your items. You can also do Facebook Marketplace, but it's not really that popular. So let's do the automation part. This is where AutoDS will come from basically. So when you go to Amazon and you want to actually use a product from Amazon to import it to your store using AutoDS, you can do so. So the first thing you'll have to do is press the import to AutoDS. Basically, with a single click, you'll be able to import it into your items. So it goes to your drafts in your AutoDS and you will see it right here. Here you will have a list of all your drafts of the items that you have imported from Amazon or eBay or the choice of your store. So once you've done that, you can import that and you can even bring it to your store live. So you can also bulk upload using a CSV. So right here, AutoDS extractor, you can extract and export a CSV and you can have multiple items extracted as one in one go. So next is the AutoDS Finder. So the AutoDS Finder is if you're lazy and you just want to find the best selling products out there. You can use the best sellers right here, 8 sales a month, 4 credits per product as per the rules in AutoDS. And then you can select the amount and add as a draft. So the price and stock monitoring is also going to be given by AutoDS, since as you can see the product cost and the profit, and it's going to calculate it for you regardless of the price change on the product, so you'll always keep your original profit in the settings basically. So next is stock monitoring. Stock monitoring is where you have your monitoring of your stocks and inventory. And here you have your minimum product quantity, which is going to be 5 in this example. And then right here, you will also want to do your automation if you don't want your price or stocks or orders respectively filled right away. So you can go with general right here. This is where you'll do price, stock, order if you want it automated or not. And you can also make it be fulfilled by AutoDS automatically where you don't have to do anything and it will just automatically ship to your customer using the orders right here in your store settings. So you can process orders by using fulfilled by AutoDS service or automatic orders required by a fulfilled by AutoDS orders management. You can go with Amazon, eBay, or even Alibaba as any certain market would concur with. So here you can also add your credits so that you'll be able to build a bigger store, and basically you can see everything that's going on in your store and you can track it of course. So AutoDS will also handle that for you. It will update the tracking by labels of course. So you can have tracking number, ship, the ID order, and many much more. Even returns is going to be available with AutoDS right here, with the request return right here, if you want to. And they will also do automatic returns basically. So basically, that's how your AutoDS would run basically, and it's really just that simple in drop shipping. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.